Area Systems Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think all subscription billing platforms are the same, but Area Systems is designed for businesses that need complex recurring revenue management. Area Systems provides a cloud-based subscription and billing platform that handles recurring payments, usage-based billing, and revenue recognition. One standout feature is its flexibility. It can manage multiple subscription models at once, whether it's monthly, annual, or consumption-based services. Most people get this wrong. They assume setting up recurring billing is straightforward. The surprising truth is that Area excels where others struggle. It supports enterprise-level configurations, complex discounting, promotional campaigns, and global currencies. Businesses can automate invoicing, payment reminders, and even dunning processes to minimize churn. Another advantage is integration. Area connects with CRM systems, accounting software, and payment gateways, ensuring data flows seamlessly between sales, finance, and operations teams. Analytics and reporting tools also provide insights into revenue trends, customer churn, and payment performance. However, there are considerations. Area is designed for mid to large businesses, so small startups may find it too complex and expensive. Implementation can take time due to its robust customization options, and training staff is essential to maximize efficiency. In conclusion, Area Systems is a powerful solution for businesses looking to manage complex subscription billing and recurring revenue. It offers automation, flexibility, and detailed analytics, but it's best suited for larger organizations with sophisticated billing needs. Subscribe for more honest SaaS reviews before choosing a billing platform for your business.